Brian from Newark and several other people wrote me a letter in the days following the tragic shootings in Tucson to ask about my position on gun control and community mental health services. Well, to Brian and to others who wrote me on this, let me just say that I do think the shootings in Tucson were an awful tragedy. It's not clear now whether they could have been avoided, but the individual who committed these terrible acts was clearly someone who was mentally disturbed. And the community college that he'd attended, the Army recruiter who'd interviewed him, both well before this incident, had concluded that he posed a threat to himself and the community. I think the best way for us to deal with this, rather than trying to amend gun control laws, is to effectively enforce the laws that are on the books, to help increase access to mental health services in our communities, and to increase the thoroughness of reporting requirements and background checks to make sure that those requirements already on the books are being met and fulfilled. In some states, because of budget cutbacks, they've reduced the amount of reporting, and that's something that I've discussed with several of my colleagues and where I hope we can make some positive contribution in the weeks and months following this tragedy.